আমায় ধইরো না ছুঁয়ো না বন্ধুরে দেখো দুই নয়ন ভরিয়া।
Trust me, this is not AI. This young wizard from the context of this video is having his PhD thesis defense in witchcraft and sorcery. And I think he's having a pretty good thesis defense because his head is literally on fire. Congratulations, Professor Majishua.